Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are talking the best export settings for Final Cut Pro exporting to YouTube. So what you want to do is first press this button here, okay? And then after you press button here, you could go to YouTube and Facebook, but I wouldn't recommend that. Instead, what you want to do is add a new destination. Once you're in here to add destination, drag this export file anywhere you want. I'll drag it here for the purpose of this. Double click it, you can rename it. We will rename it YouTube for the purpose of this. And then after you rename it, there's a couple of things you can do here. You can set video and audio, although honestly, I recommend going to computer, okay? Once you're at computer, you can click H.264 better quality, okay? Like I said, this is what's going to be best for YouTube. This will let you change your resolution as needed. 4K, 1080p, 720p, so on and so forth. Most of the time for YouTube, you will want either 1080p or 4K, so that's perfectly fine for that. And you can have it set to save only, or you can do what I do and have it play in QuickTime afterwards. The reason I have it play in QuickTime afterwards is so I can actually go through and sort of, see if everything would rendered right. See if there's like something I forgot, some lower third I forgot, or something I forgot, like I forgot the audio turned off or something like that. But yeah, hopefully this helps you. Let me know in the comment section below if you find it useful. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.